Hello CI scholars, this is Shweta Gandhi, your primary educator from Countryside International School. So we have finished our 2 chapters and today we are going to do a revision of few grammar concepts which we have already learned in our chapters. So let's see which topic I have taken. First is identify the picture. Second is arrange the word in alphabetical order, and third is rhyming word. Now in identify pictures, I will give you one word and 2 pictures and you have to simply identify the picture, which is very easy. Let's see one example of that. Identify the picture. So your first word is Parrot, parrot. So here your first picture and here your second picture. Now you have to identify. So tell me, which one is your answer? First picture or second picture? Answer is your first picture. That is parrot. Let's see, take another example. That is CROWN, crown. CROWN, crown. Let's see the picture. Is this crown? No, it's a ring. Let's see the another example. Oh, this is a crown. So your answer is second picture, that is crown. Now we are going to learn about how to arrange our words in alphabetical order. So for that you have to first of all know all the alphabet's letter from A to Z, and that is also in a correct order. See, these are the alphabet, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these all alphabets are in a alphabetical order. Now what we will do when we want to arrange the words in alphabetical order? First, we will check the first letter of all the words, and from that we will put that word in alphabetical order. Let's see one example. So this is milk, this is donut, this is kiwi, and this is cherry. So milk is start with letter M, donut is start with letter D, kiwi is start with letter K, and cherry is start with letter C. We will see the first letter, that is M, D, K, C. Now for all these letters we will put in alphabetical order. So in ABCD, from these 4 words, which will come first? So out of this 4 words, I thought that cherry, C, will come first in ABCD. So our answer is, first is cherry, then after C, D will come. So we will put donut. Then after D, K will come. So we will put kiwi, and at last we will put milk. So our answer is cherry, donut, kiwi, milk. Now these 4 words are in alphabetical order. What if the 2 or more words that start with the same letter? Here if we see all words are start with a different letter. But for example, cherry, cap, these both start with letter C. In that case, what we will do? Let's see one example of that. Now, the first is coconut, second is cap, third is cherry, fourth is cup. Now these all words are start with letter C. Coconut, cap, cherry, cup. Now here what we will do? We will see the second letter of each word. In coconut, the second letter is O. In second letter is O. In cap, second letter is A. In cherry, second letter is H. And in cup, second letter is U. So here first letter is C, right? And we are seeing the second letter. So in ABCD, which letters is come first? So here A. A will come first in alphabetical order. So our answer is cap. Then cherry because H comes afterwards. Then coconut because after H O will come, and then cup. So our answer is cap, cherry, coconut, cup. I hope you understand this concept. Now this word cap, cherry, coconut and cup, these four words are in alphabetical order. Now we will going to start with rhyming words. Rhyming word means the two words that ends with the same or similar sound. Let's play one game. Two boys were there, Ram and Shyam. They both were become very tired, so they decided to play one rhyming word game. So Ram will speak one word and the another word will speak by the Shyam, which is rhyming to the first word. So Ram said red and Shyam said bad. So bread and bed were rhyming word. Then Ram said funny. Let's see what Shyam will speak. Shyam says bunny. So funny and bunny are rhyming word. Then Ram says book. Shyam says look. So book and look are rhyming word. Then Ram says house and Shyam says sheep. Oh, it is not a rhyming word. So I hope you understand it well and you will do more practice at your home. Till then, thank you. Take care of yourself.